Let us sum up this topic unit. Key points in this unit: community gatherings and events include weddings, funerals, cultural festivals, community meetings, religious gatherings, village meetings, cleanups, work parties, that is Nimbe or Ilima, Sundera Mambo. So Sundera Mambo can actually be called in Ndebele Isifala Sengosi, Sunde Ramambo, field days and sports galas and matches. The purpose of these gatherings is to connect people, to celebrate traditions, to discuss important issues, and improve the community. We have been learning about this throughout this unit. Then we have attire varies with events. And haungeendi kunoona mechi yebhora wakapfeka suit. Just an example. So attires vary with events. With special clothing for weddings, you wear your best to a wedding. Funerals, sometimes people prefer wearing black to funerals and cultural festivals. Let us go through unit revision exercise. This is a multiple choice. Number 1, what type of gathering celebrates the union of two people? Is it a funeral? No. Is it a wedding? Yes. Is it a community meeting? No. Is it cultural festival? No. What color is often worn at funerals? People usually wear black at funerals. Not white, not blue, not yellow. So we have been discussing about this. Let's go to number 3. Cultural festivals are important for discussing issues, celebrating traditions, shopping, stealing food. They are important for celebrating traditions. Ndokwatinenge celebrate our traditions through music and dance and art. Number 4, community meetings help people have fun, discuss local issues, eat food, fight. Discuss local issues. At community meetings ndopatenge tichidiscussa kuti munharaunda medu makamira sei, kana makasangana nevidhio reya raiti mwene webhawa. That's an example of a community meeting. Then number 5, what type of attire is common at cultural events or festivals? Cultural clothes, casual clothes, traditional clothing, yes. Sportswear ndeye kuma-sports, especially if you are a participant. Then swimming costumes. Now let us look at structured questions. We might want to write them down. Name any 3 community gatherings in Zimbabwe. Number 1, we have weddings, we have funerals, we have Sundera Mambo. There are many, I just listed 3 because the question requires 3. Number 2, explain why community gatherings are important. They are important to do what? To strengthen relationships. This is just one example of the importance. You can give as many examples as you wish. Number 3, describe what people might wear at a wedding. People will wear formal clothing at a wedding, like suits. This is what people wear at weddings. Number 4, how do cultural festivals help people remember their history? Celebrate culture through music. It's through music and dancing. That's how these help people remember their history, because these dances are actually historic. Number 5, what attire is appropriate for Farmers Field Day event? Formal clothes. They are the important way of Farmers Field Day events. So I've just paraphrased through these 5 structured questions. Of course, you might add your own insights here, but this is just a rough outlay of the answers which I expected. Saka ndangonyora ma-structured questions aya ndisinganyatsi kuma-answer zvakasara, but ndo ma-answero atinotarisirwa kunge tichiita. In our next lesson, Unit 4, still under Topic 1 Identity, we are going to look at the purpose of the totem system. Takuchitarisa mitupo yedu nezviyerwa zvedu. Stay tuned and see you next time.